The evolution of information, social media's impact. A montage of newspaper headlines, TV news, broadcast, and radio segments from the past, highlighting the limited sources of information. In the past, when calamity struck, information was disseminated through traditional media channels, televisions, radio, and print. But in today's digital age, a new player has emerged transforming how we access and share information: social media. Social media has become a powerful tool for families, providing real-time updates during times of crisis. From natural disasters to public safety alerts, platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram allow families to stay informed and connected like never before. But it's not just families benefiting from social media's reach. Social workers are leveraging these platforms to reach vulnerable communities and provide critical support during emergencies. By monitoring hashtags and geotag posts, social workers can identify areas in need and coordinate relief efforts more efficiently than ever before. Governments around the world are also harnessing the power of social media to improve disaster response and public safety. By analyzing real-time data from platforms like Twitter and Snapchat, authorities can quickly assess the situation on the ground and deploy resources where they're needed most. In a world where information is key, social media has emerged as a vital tool for families, social workers, and governments alike. By harnessing the power of digital connectivity, we can build a safer, more resilient future for all. And thank you.